everybody. We are at Iowa 80 and I'm going to take you guys in for a sneak peek so y'all can take a tour with me of the world's largest truck stop. Hey guys, welcome to the Iowa 80 Chrome Shop section of the truck stop. If you look, they have this huge truck in here, so it kind of gives you like a gauge of how big this showroom floor is. They also have another full-size 18-wheeler on the other side. So yeah, if you come with me, I'll walk y'all around and y'all can check out the Chrome Shop with me. Showroom truck that they're featuring right now, and it is the Corn Patch Cadillac. And look how cool, the floor like actually rotates, so you get a full 360 view of this truck standing in one spot. It's really seen these lights before, but I definitely want to change all the lights out on the truck now. How cool is that? So I think this is so cool. They have like a custom embroidery and like vinyl shop, so you can get all your stickers. And I feel like they do something else, but I don't remember. But you can come and get your own personalized hat, shirt, jacket, and you can also get all the stickers put out for your truck. So I think that's pretty cool that they have it in the store, and it's like just like a huge one-stop shop. So if y'all have never been here, y'all have to check it out. We're finally going up to the Truckers Lounge. This is our third day being here and I haven't seen it, so I'm really excited. Everyone says it's so cool. They have like supposedly like a barber shop and a chiropractor, and there was something else, showers obviously. I don't know, but supposedly it's like its own little town up here. Oh, a dentist. They have a dentist. Apparel store. They have a full restaurant, like sit-down restaurant in here. And then of course like their knickknacks over there. this whole food court up here with so many different like food options. So you have a lot to choose from if you're stopping here.
On a 1 to 10, how are the bathrooms?
They're 10. 2 sides. Hey guys, so we made it back from Iowa. I hope you guys really enjoyed the Iowa 80 truck stop tour. That truck stop is so amazing. If you've never been, it's definitely somewhere you need to stop for sure. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys are following us on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys.